Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be making some mango pineapple smoothie. So before I get into the video, I'm gonna ask you, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. So with that being said, let's move on.
One minute, 37 seconds later.
Okay guys, so in order to make my mango pineapple smoothie, I have about half of a medium pineapple in this bowl, and also I have about 2 medium-sized mango chopped up, ready to go. So what I'm going to do next, add them in my blender, add some ice and also vanilla extra, and then some carnation milk and a little bit of sugar, pinch of salt, and that'll be it guys. So stay tuned, I'll show you guys how it looks next.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so mango's in the blender. Next I'm adding my pineapples. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add about half of my carnation evaporated milk. Blend it a little bit so I can get them to go down. Just add my milk just like that. And then also I'll add some of my vanille, which is vanilla extra. And then I'm going to blend it now so I can get them to go down, and then I'll add the rest of the ingredients. Okay guys, now that I have them blended, not all the way, but just enough so I can add the rest of my ingredients. So what I did, I added some ice, and now I'm about to put half of fresh squeezed lime right in there. And then also you could use any type of sugar, but I'm using a little bit of brown sugar, not a whole lot. And then you can add some more of your carnation evaporated milk so it's not too thick. And then final step is blend it one more time. We'll be done. Okay guys, so as you can see, smoothie is all done. I'm gonna go ahead, fix me a glass, and enjoy it. So don't forget, if you enjoy watching these little videos, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, drop a comment, and please share it. As always, thank you.